Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to change your language in Ubisoft. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your language in Ubisoft Connect. So the first thing you need to do is open your Ubisoft Connect. Once your Ubisoft Connect is open, once you're here, click on your profile here, right here. There's an arrow right there. Click on it. After clicking on arrow, just go down to settings. There's the settings below key activation. Then click on settings. After clicking on settings, you will be located right here, general. Then click on interface. After clicking on the interface, you will say interface language. So this means you will need to restart your Ubisoft Connect before the language change takes effect. So we're going to choose a language. So here are all the available language in Ubisoft Connect. You can choose any one of them. After you click the language that you want, just restart your Ubisoft Connect. So gonna show you how to restart my Ubisoft Connect, right? Wait, where's my Ubisoft Connect? There we go. Then click on restart. About that, restart. My Ubisoft Connect just restarted. Let's wait for it. Then wait for our Ubisoft Connect. Restarting. There we go. Opening up. Ubisoft Connect is opening up. As you can see, it's for it. There you go, guys. It's loading. Oh, so yeah, a little bit of a tip for you guys. So this is the tip to be my tip for you guys. If you see this is happening, it's taking too long, just open up your task manager. Oopsie. There you go. If that takes too long, example, for sometimes it may take 30 hours. 30 hours meant 30 minutes or maybe 1 hour. It takes too long. Just open up the task manager and then just close it. For example, the Ubisoft, close it, end task, and then open it again, the Ubisoft Connect. Or you can just restart your computer and then open the Ubisoft Connect. Another tip for you guys, if you don't understand what the language that you've clicked, just follow this. Just click on the arrow again, click on the settings. As you can see, you don't understand anything there, but click on the second one here, and then you will see this one, and click on it, put it back to English or whatever language you are. So there you go, guys. Then click this one, the blue thing. And that's not it. Another way to change your language in Ubisoft is by going to the browser itself. And once you're here in its website, click on your profile top right, and then click on right here, account management. After clicking on that, you can also change the language right here at your account information right here. Preferred language. So this only works in your email. As you can see right here, click on there. Select your preferred language for Ubisoft. Email only. But this only works for your email. But it also helps if you don't like your current language right now. So just click edit and then click here. So try manage. Then after that, click on save. There you go. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you. If you liked the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.